Today we're changing a rear latch on a 96 Ford Explorer. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for reinstalling your lift gate vent flap. Now we're going to take and line it up. You can see it's got all these Christmas trees on it. Here, 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 and here. So we have 5 points we need to line up. You're going to want to make sure that your flaps are pointed in the down position, like so. You can see that. If you put this on the other way, and on some vehicles you can, your flaps will constantly stay open, making your vehicle drafty. So you're going to want to make sure that they're in the down position. As you turn on your air conditioning or your heat, the forced air drawn in through the front of the vehicle is actually going to escape through the rear. So this stuff fails closed when you're not running your heater. Once you have all 5 Christmas trees secured, that is the proper service procedure for reinstalling your vent flap.